Anyone guess what state we're in? So we're all done with our Sprinter van conversion that we've been working on, and we're ready to hit the road and try it out on some boondocking adventures.
That one's bird poop. So is that what I think? That's bird poop. Bird poop always dries.
Man, look at the size of some of these trees, these cottonwoods. They are huge. This is a beautiful spot. Nice little lake. Tons of shade. Huge trees. And only about 2 other people here. Big, huge shade trees and a lake. Would you guess it? We're in Kansas. Kingman, Kansas. So my daughter Adele and I are going to be full-time boondock camping in the Sprinter van for the summer. And this was our first stop here in Kansas, and I think we picked an excellent spot. We'll work on making a little supper here and have a great view of the lake right outside the window of the van. Good morning. Oh, it's beautiful out this morning. We're getting ready to pack up and head down the road. The spot was awesome. Right out by the lake. We had a beautiful view. Lots of huge cottonwoods all around. And there was barely anybody parked here last night. And very quiet. The highway is just right over there, so you do hear a little bit of that noise, but really easy getting on and off. And Highway 400, like the old Route 66. So this was a really nice spot. We definitely would come here again. There's picnic tables and fire rings. Some of them don't have grates, but there were some people out fishing and a few people driving around, but other than that it was pretty quiet, just mainly locals that are using the lake to fish. So all right, we're gonna get ready to head down the road today. Well, that was a well worth it place to stop and visit, Kingman, Kansas. This was like the state fishing lake. And now we're gonna drive down the road some more until we stop somewhere and eat some lunch. Alright, we're going to have a little quick lunch here at the wind farm, and we're going to go on down the road. On traveling down the road to another free camping spot. As always, thanks for watching, and make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We continue with our journey of full-time seasonal van life.